What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to finishing up Red Eagle. So let's get you guys caught up here. Been out here wrenching a little bit. Haven't tossed on the camera. There wasn't, like, again, too much interesting stuff going on. But we are about ready to start this bad boy up. So I finished. We got spark plugs in it now. We got plug wires. I just got done checking all the fluids, topped off the coolant. I got the ECU plugged in, and I got the laptop hooked up, and I just got done priming the fuel system, which we had 0 leaks on the new fuel system, so that's a W. So we did fuel tank. I mean, you guys watched the other videos, you guys seen brand new fuel system, 0 leaks, so I'm liking it. So we just got done setting the fuel pressure on the fuel pressure regulator, on the regulator. If you guys don't know how to do that, if you guys got DSM link, oh, let me turn this on real quick. Alright, yeah, if you guys here, we got laptop hooked up, DSM link. We go in here to settings. We turn the key on. If you go in here to settings, and we can go down here to miscellaneous. You can hit activate fuel pump, always on. Here, click on. Well, let's come out here. Check fuel pressure. So it's reading almost 38. Base fuel pressure 37.5 on 1G. That's what we do now. Obviously, if you're running a lot of horsepower and you need more fuel injector, then you can turn up the base fuel pressure. So yeah, so once you're done doing that, set the base fuel pressure. You can check for leaks. So obviously you don't have to worry about having the engine running. You can shut that off. Let's see, we got the gauges wired up, wide bands in there, boost, oil pressure. So let's see what those do when this thing fires up. But it's about time. I'm gonna get the camera set up real quick, and then we're gonna crank this bad guy over and see if we can get it to pop off. All right, here we go. Fingers crossed. All right, hey, hey, hey. Is it that easy? Is it that easy? Shit, when NASCAR's working on it, it is that easy. Let's go. Fired up Red Eagle. Doesn't take very long. Turns. rich right now, but I gotta get the tune dialed in. So it's pulling about 14 pounds of vacuum. And the oil pressure looks good right now. Coolant temp's working its way up there. Looks like the battery's showing that it's charging at 13.8. Looks like the IAT sensor's reading about right, 85 degrees outside. I still gotta get the wideband reading kind of the same on here as it is on the gauge. You gotta go in here and adjust some settings and stuff for that. Well, we got Red Eagle down on all fours. So I just got done checking the transmission. It seems like it shifts in all the gears. I mean, first gear and reverse are like the main ones, but got all the gears, so moved back and forth. But we do have a bunch of exhaust leaks on this thing, which this was all assembled. I haven't messed with the turbo system, so I tightened up that V-band down there. You guys can see that. That one was pretty loose, but I still think it's leaking out of there. And then here, it's leaking, and I mean, I think it's because they put this wrap underneath the clamp, so the car's obviously really hot, letting it cool down. Pop this off, see if I can get this heat wrap out from underneath to get that to seal up. And then I don't know if the turbo to manifold is leaking. It's kind of hard to tell because I think it's leaking out of here, so it's kind of hard to tell if it's leaking out of there. I don't want to have to pull the damn turbo back off, or not back off, but I don't want to have to pull the turbo off to swap out that gasket. So yeah, Red Eagle, it's running, not its best, and it's not technically driving yet. I mean, it probably would drive, but there's still a handful of stuff that we need to fix on it, you guys. So but the race season is just ticking by. I need to get NFT back in here, get that thing 100% race ready, so that way if I want to, I can go test it. If any races pop up, it's ready to go. So it's taking a little bit longer. Red Eagle's taking a little bit longer than I expected, but I said we're gonna get NFT back in here, get that thing 100% done, and then we'll get Red Eagle back in here and get that thing finished up. So anyways, that's gonna wrap up Red Eagle for now. We're gonna get some parts probably ordered. I'm gonna talk to Buckley about maybe switching some things up, and then we'll go from there. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, get out there in GSD.